Dear students, in this episode we are going to discuss on weather and climate, definition and significance of climatology, elements of weather and climate, composition and structure of the atmosphere. This module consists of the following modules: definition and significance of climatology. The second one is difference between weather and climate, elements of weather and climate, factors that determine weather and climate, composition and structure of the atmosphere. First of all, let us see the definition and significance of climatology. Climatology is a science that seeks to describe and explain the nature of climate, why it differs from place to place, and how it is related to other elements of natural environment and to human activities. The term comes from the Greek word klima, referring to the supposed slope of the earth and approximating our concept of latitude, and logos, a discourse of study. Climatology is closely allied with, but often confused with, meteorology, and although they study similar things, they are separated by the length of time over which they operate. Climatology is a branch of atmospheric science concerned with describing climate and analyzing the causes and consequences of climate differences and changes. Climatology treats the same atmospheric process as meteorology, but it also seeks to identify slower acting influences and long term changes, including the circulation of the oceans, the concentration of atmospheric gases, and the small but measurable variations in the intensity of radiation. So, the scientific study of climate deals with the mean and the variability of the weather conditions for a particular location, season, and time of the day. The climate is often described in terms of the mean values of meteorological variables such as temperature, precipitation, wind, humidity, and cloud cover. A complete description also includes the variability of these quantities and their extreme values. Climate also exhibits significant year to year variability and long term changes on both a regional and global basis. The goal of climatology are to provide a comprehensive description of the Earth's climate over the range of geographic scales, to understand its features in terms of fundamental physical principles, and to develop models of the Earth's climate for sensitivity studies and for the prediction of future changes.